Hello and welcome to this introduction to the Bengali language. Today we're going to be teaching you many things, primarily how to speak Bengali. My name is Ben and this is my wife, Devasmita.
Hi.
Devasmita is a native speaker, I believe, of the Bengali language.
Yes, that's true.
Oh. In this course we're going to teach you how to express yourself in the Bengali language. We're going to be going through key phrases, terms, numbers, colours, places, things to ask for, everything that you need to know to get by if you're visiting India or anywhere that speaks Bengali. So, anything I've missed out there, Devasmita? Debs? Sure.
No, so you can also read Bengali literatures, poetry that are quite renowned all over the world. So if you understand some basic words, you'll be able to also understand the poetry and stories and literature that are written in Bengali.
And would you say it's very it's an easy language to learn? Because you know a few languages, don't you? So would you say that out of the ones that you know, is it the easiest one?
It is very easy to learn. You will see soon. You'll find out. Yes, compared to the other languages that I tried to learn, I definitely think Bengali is a lot easier to pick up.
So stick with us. We hope to take you on a journey into the Bengali language and come with us. We're gonna teach you some fun things and hope you enjoy this course.